Good morning guys, wie is die hier van S23? It is exactly 6:29, so 6:30 in the morning, and I'm taking off my S23 Ultra from the charger, guys. 100% on my phone, guys, no app usage, so I'm gonna start using the phone as I usually do, and I'm gonna guide you through my day. So the idea is to check the battery, and I'm gonna film until my phone reaches 5%, and then we will estimate together how good the S23 Ultra battery is. Now it's time for the first coffee of the day and also some YouTube comments reading and answering. And I've been using the S23 Ultra since the first day after the Unpack event, and so far it has been great. 100% in the morning, 6:31, and let's see where you're gonna be after this social apps testing in probably 1 hour from now. It's already 7 in the morning, guys, and I've been using my phone for half an hour, and yep, only 4% of battery. Right, 1 hour has passed, it's now 7:31, and I lost 10% of battery. Again, just some social apps like Telegram, Facebook, also some YouTube. And if we just check on the details, guys, I have 52 minutes screen on time. Been using Facebook, Chrome, YouTube, again, the standard stuff. 8:30 in the morning and already lost 15%, so I'm now at 85%. Let's just check the usage, guys. So it's some Chrome, Facebook, Telegram, the usual stuff. Screen on time, hour and 20. It's almost 9 a.m. in the morning, guys, 83%, so 70% lost. I'm outside and I am using now 5G. I'm also going to use some GPS navigation, Google Maps in the next 20-30 minutes. It's not something I usually do, but I just want to do this in order to get this close to a real use case scenario, which is actually this video. So if you're just tuning in, guys, have in mind I'm gonna test my phone until it reaches 5% of battery. All right, guys, it is 9:31 and I get 82% of a battery. Screen time is 1 hour and almost 30 minutes. Again, the same few apps. I'm here in the park, so right now I am gonna do some photo samples. Guys, it is 10:11 as promised. I am now running some navigation. I have 70%, started with 100 in 6:30 in the morning. Some navigation, listening to some music. Yeah, let's see how it's gonna go. Also trying to shoot some video with the front camera, but still I'm just gonna try to take these occasional photos and videos through a whole day, guys, so that I just put some regular camera usage on my phone. Another red light, and it's also very important for me to say that I am using the phone outside as well, because we all know that if you use your phone only at home or just on Wi-Fi, yeah, you see how it goes. But I made a promise, so I will now stop shooting. Point is, I'm using outside my 5G connection, so this really will take a big toll on the battery. I hope so. And yeah, I hope also that I'm gonna get a decent screen on time. Right now, guys, my experience, something like 3 to 4 hours.
Left.
Everything.
Then turn left.
You can just hear also navigation is working. Everything more than 4 hours with mixed usage on WQAG in 120 Hz. It's gonna be still fine for me, right? So I don't really have unrealistic expectation. I've seen people doing 11 hours. I can probably even do 15 hours.
Left.
I know how to do it.
Then your destination will be on the right.
But guys, that's not the point here. The point is to really come up with this very realistic use case. So I decided I'm just going to shoot what I do like in one day. Today is Monday, so I just do the regular stuff, right? And let's see how much we're gonna get. All right, guys, it is 10:33 and I do have 68% of a battery. So now let's just enter the battery and the device care. So the screen on time is 2 hours already, which is not that bad. And again, we have Facebook, Telegram, Chrome, YouTube and Viber, I guess the usual suspects. I'll continue watching some YouTube videos, and I really hope that with that rate I'm still going to have a phone, working phone, when 5 p.m. in the afternoon comes. But okay, it is what it is, so let's buckle up and continue. Guys, it is now passing 11:30 and I put 1 more hour to the clock. left with 62% of the battery. So a very quick check right now. Screen on time 2 hours 27. Okay, and those are the most used applications. So again, Facebook, Telegram, Chrome. Not really changed so much. I watched a bit of YouTube for the last 1 hour, so I'm almost using my phone for straight 2 hours and 30 minutes. I also did some navigation. It says 1 minute, but it's not 1 minute. And yeah, it is almost 12, which is like midday, and I still have more than 50%. So it is already looking, I would say, not so bad. What I want to do in the next 1 hour, guys, is just play a YouTube video, and of course I'm going to choose the full resolution. Okay, so it's gonna be almost 4K. It's actually WQHD, and I'm gonna leave the phone like this, guys. Try to run this for 1 hour. Alright guys, we are almost now done. 1 hour of YouTube, 59 minutes and 30 something seconds, guys. So it's interesting to see how much battery still we are going to get out of the phone. So I'm just gonna go to my home screen, and wow, 52%, guys. So the screen on time, this is gonna be probably the most interesting moment right now. So 3 hours 34 minutes, guys. You can just see 1 hour YouTube. Okay, we have Facebook, Telegram, again the social apps, and I also did some camera and GPS in the morning. So guys, we are now left at 52%, okay? And I've been using the phone since 8 hours. All right, let's see how further we will go with the test. And this won't be a real proper battery test if I'm not doing any phone calls. So I'm just going to call some people around now and also put some time on phone calls. Yeah, interesting results so far. Alright guys, milestone achieved, namely 50% of the battery is already gone. I have had some phone calls. It is 12:48 and it's about time to check what the data is saying. So on the screen on time is 3 hours, 34 minutes, YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, Chrome, phone, on your home, Viber, some camera, and also guys, some maps, some Spotify. I will now continue to fully test this phone, guys, with almost 4 hours screen on time, okay? And I was also outside. I used it on 5G, so it is really very good. I mean, this alone surpasses all my results I have had with the S22 Ultra, which had the same battery, 5 mAh of size, but of course was using Exynos 2200. So the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is really very powerful, but also very, very efficient. All right, let's just check back in 1 hour and see how we do. It's 14:06 p.m. in the afternoon, guys, and what is even more important is that I still have 43% of a battery. And remember, I started to use the phone 6:30 in the morning. So now let's do a quick check and see where we are. So 40% available, guys. Screen on time 3 hours 55 minutes. So it's almost 4 hours screen on time. I'm outside using 5G, already at 42%, and it's almost 2:30 in the afternoon, guys. Can't wait to see what will happen. I'm gonna use standard things right now, like browsing, music, probably also some camera, and also some GPS real life scenario test. So it's time for another battery check. I'm now even using the S23 Ultra and recording this video, guys. I have 35% left of a battery. It's almost 4 p.m. in the afternoon, and if you are just tuning in, I started to use the phone 6:30 a.m. in the morning, using it all day, even probably using it more as I would usually do, just to try to prove a point here, guys, and really try to stay real and true, because that's the S23 Ultra real battery. Guys, as I told you, 35% still left, and you can just see what happens with the PWM. It's just crazy because I'm almost using the phone with the full brightness, which actually I did while having a coffee. So now let's just jump and check what is the situation, guys. 34% left, screen on time 4 hours 24 minutes, guys, and you can just see YouTube, Facebook, Chrome, Telegram, phone, when you're home, Viber, camera also. It's 5:30 p.m. in the afternoon, and by now I'm already using my phone for 11 hours, because remember, I started off 6:30 a.m. in the morning, guys, and let me read some statistic. I still have 22% of battery, and I've been using the phone 5 hours screen on time, which is really amazing so far. And I can tell you, based on my experience with the S22 Ultra running Exynos, this would have been really not possible. So I still have 22%, right? I did YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, Chrome. I also got phone calls, Messenger, also had some work done with Outlook and Teams, Viber, camera, Spotify, also some navigation, Google Maps, so it's pretty much everything there. Of course, no gaming, but I'm not really a mobile gamer. But anyway, even with some gaming, guys, still 22% left. 5:30 in the afternoon, and yeah, I'm just really impressed. This is again really a real S23 Ultra battery review. And by the way, just today, I'm shooting this video all day, guys, I learned that Samsung released a new firmware update, which is fixing the camera. Probably I need to do everything again and retest it, but I want to just test the phone out of the box. So 22%, let's see how more we can crank up from this phone. Alright guys, it is now almost 6 p.m. and I still have 18% of battery. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna simulate some Twitter use for probably half an hour. Alright guys, so it has been now more than 30 minutes I'm using Twitter. So let me try to close everything and do one more check, guys. It is now almost 6:30 and I have 13% of a battery. Alright, so it's not so much. Guys, like I told you, I'm now outside and already with 12% left, but we achieved a major milestone, and this is 6 hours 1 minute screen on time. And by the way, it's dark, as you can see, so my phone already switched to the dark theme. Now again, the most important question is how much more will we get from 12% of battery, 6 hours screen on time. So guys, I'm back at home. This means I'm using Wi-Fi, and I decided to just really try to pump as much as I can from this now 11%. So I started TikTok. Alright guys, 5% battery left, and we are now already 15 minutes TikTok. So 6 hours and 13 minutes screen on time. Here you can just see the results. So guys, I'm now left with 3% battery, and this here is my full recap. 6 hours and 13 minutes screen on time. 1 hour and more Facebook. 1 hour and 16 minutes YouTube. Telegram half an hour. Then we have Chrome, we have Twitter, each 1 hour. Then we have One UI Home, we have phone, Messenger, then we have Viber, some Outlook, we have camera, then I have also Spotify, I have Teams, I have Google Maps, meaning GPS. I really try to test the phone in the best way possible I can, which means Wi-Fi at home and also 5G outside, but also using it under direct sunlight, which means with the maximum or very close to the maximum brightness. So it was really a very tough scenario. And remember, I took the phone off the charger 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and right now it is already 7 p.m. and 13 minutes, guys, which means 12 hours, more than 12 hours using the S23 Ultra. Really outstanding performance. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy is really very efficient, very powerful chip, but also guys, efficiency is the key here, because I was using 120 Hz and WQHD, and also the standard performance profile. Now imagine if I put this on light, if I drop the resolution or even the refresh rate, can probably do wonders. So this was here my full real S23 Ultra battery review, and if you have liked the video, guys, a sub to the channel will be much appreciated. Thank you so much, guys. Please, you and your family stay safe. BST over and bye.